Dear friends, in this video we will study about the Neptune moon named Triton. The Triton was discovered on October 10, 1846 by British astronomer William Lassell just 17 days after Neptune itself was discovered. Triton is the largest of Neptune's 13 moons. It is unusual because it is the only large moon in our solar system that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation, a retrograde orbit. Scientists think Triton is a Kuiper Belt object captured by Neptune's gravity millions of years ago. It shares many similarities with Pluto, the best-known world of the Kuiper Belt. Like our own moon, Triton is locked in synchronous rotation with Neptune. One side faces the planet at all times. But because of its unusual orbital inclination, both polar regions take turns facing the sun. A 3D model of Triton, a moon of Neptune, is shown in video. The Triton has a diameter of 1,680 miles, which is 2,700 kilometers. Spacecraft images show the moon has a sparsely cratered surface with smooth volcanic plains, mounds, and round pits formed by icy lava flows. Triton consists of a crust of frozen nitrogen over an icy mantle believed to cover a core of rock and metal. Triton has a density about twice that of water. This is a higher density than that measured for almost any other satellite of an outer planet. Europa and Io have higher densities. This implies that Triton contains more rock in its interior than the icy satellites of Saturn and Uranus. Triton's thin atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen with small amounts of methane. This atmosphere most likely originates from Triton's volcanic activity, which is driven by seasonal heating by the sun. Triton, Io, and Venus are the only bodies in the solar system besides Earth that are known to be volcanically active at the present time. Triton is one of the coolest objects in our solar system. It is so cold that most of Triton's nitrogen is condensed as frost, giving its surface an icy sheen that reflects 70% of the sunlight that hits it. We're not sure. Triton's surface is young, less than 100 million years old, and possibly less than just 10 million years old. It has very few craters, suggesting that something is constantly reshaping its surface. The reshaping could be caused by volcanic plumes. NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft saw more than 120 dark streaks on Triton when it flew past the moon in 1989. These streaks, which are probably a mix of nitrogen, methane, and dust, likely came from past subsurface eruptions. Voyager 2 also spotted at least 2 plumes that were actively erupting. One plume was 8 kilometers tall. Now the question is that what causes Triton's plumes? There are 3 main hypotheses. Sunlight heats and pressurizes dark patches of nitrogen beneath Triton's translucent surface ice until the nitrogen bursts free. Heat from within Triton melts pockets of nitrogen ice, which finds its way to the surface and erupts. The plumes are cryovolcanoes fed from a subsurface liquid water ocean or from pockets of liquid water locked within Triton's icy crust. NASA's Voyager 2, the only spacecraft to fly past Neptune and Triton, found surface temperatures of -391 degrees Fahrenheit. During its 1989 flyby, Voyager 2 also found Triton has active geysers, making it one of the few geologically active moons in our solar system. Now recently there is no mission from NASA and other space agencies toward Neptune and its moon. Now the question arises that how Triton got its name. The Triton is named after the son of Poseidon, the Greek god comparable to the Roman Neptune. Until the discovery of the second moon Nereid in 1949, Triton was commonly known as simply the satellite of Neptune. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.